Mastering English phrases. Start on pole. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, start on pole. It's a phrase you might have heard in sports, particularly in racing, but it also has broader uses. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. The phrase, start on pole, originates from motor racing, specifically Formula One. In racing, the pole position is the spot at the very front of the starting grid. This position is typically awarded to the driver who has the fastest qualifying time. Being in the pole position is advantageous because it offers a clear path ahead, free from traffic and potential obstructions. When we say someone is set to start on pole, we're literally saying they are starting from the most advantageous position. In the context of a race, this means the driver is at the front of the grid, ideally positioned to lead the race right from the start. Beyond the racetrack, start on pole can be used metaphorically. It implies having an advantage or a head start in any competition or challenge. For example, if someone has a better starting point in their career, education, or any competitive situation, you could say they are starting on pole. Let's see how this phrase can be used in daily conversations. With his years of experience, John is starting on pole in this job competition. Having a scholarship means she's starting on pole in her academic journey. Start on pole is a versatile phrase with both literal and figurative meanings. It's a great addition to your English vocabulary, especially to describe situations where someone has an advantage right from the beginning. We hope this video has been informative and adds a new phrase to your English toolkit. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.